everyone, welcome to Baking with Nadia. I know it's been quite a while since you've seen me. You probably are wondering, where have I been all this time? Well, I had a restaurant bakery. It was breakfast and lunch, and I added cakes and desserts to it. I had it for about 6 years, and now I've taken a little bit of a break from that. I think I loved running the restaurant a lot because I got to meet so many people, amazing people, and having a crew of up to 15 staff. But I wanted to introduce to you a my favorite baker and my son. That's Faizi Mahalingam.
Hi everyone! So before I even start, I just need to say thank you to my mom who's brought me this far in baking. But I'm extremely excited to tell you all that I'm starting my own YouTube channel, The Sugar Oven Studio. And this channel, I'm putting all of these different recipes that I've accumulated over the years, breads, cakes, pastries, others. So this all started with my mom, of course. She taught me everything there is to know about baking. So now, why don't I share it with more people?
And you will be getting different recipes. He loves to do breads. So if you like making bread, you're going to love his recipes.
I have a delicious cranberry walnut cinnamon bread out there right now. Delicious in the mornings with butter and jam. And you can also check out the website www.sugarovenstudio.com as well.
Faisy, how did you become so interested in baking?
So, really, I love the whole process of baking, like just experimenting, making something new from scratch, and then serving it to people and bringing people together with delicious food and desserts. That's probably one of my top reasons why I love baking.
So, Faisy, what are your plans with Sugar Oven Studio?
Well, I guess just to put out all the recipes that I've accumulated over the years so I can share it with more people so more people can have the fun and pleasure of baking.
That's awesome. I love it. What can your audience look forward to in your channel?
So we make all sorts of breads, cakes, pastries, desserts. We have some really yummy ones out there right now, like 3-tier mini pumpkin cakes, raspberry jam cookie cutouts, a walnut raisin cinnamon bread, and an amazing apple pie. You can go and check those out.
We look forward to seeing you on Faisy's channel. I'm going to be a guest, and we're going to make
Banana bread. This banana bread is so good, yummy, and flavorful, and I can't wait to share it with you guys.
And the other thing we're going to make are almond croissants.
Oh, yes, those are going to be really good.
Everyone's favorite. So see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.